Introducing Skydimo's Monitor Sync Light Strip. Designed to bring immersive lighting effects that match your screen in real time. The contents, which includes a controller, set of 3 lights and software ready to go. Compatible with monitors from 24 inches up to 49 inches, ensuring a perfect fit for a wide range of setups. I'm going to stick the sticker onto the plastic clips like that, and then stick the clips onto the back of the monitor. We recommend you have 3 clips along the top and 2 down on each side. Then you can go to the Skydimo website and install their software. Skydimo's software is packed with powerful features. Not only can you customize your favorite colors, but you can also unlock dazzling rainbow effects, music sync mode, and screen sync mode. Each mode offers a variety of unique effects, letting you freely combine your preferred colors for a truly personalized lighting experience.